everyone. Talking about Cuir Nappa by Premier Note. The notes in this are suede, leather, raspberry, rose, saffron, jasmine, heliotrope, sandalwood, and musk. So I thought this was going to be just like yet another kind of, tired Tuscan leather wannabe clone. But to my pleasant surprise, it is not. This is one of the kind of leather notes that I like best, like a fresh leather jacket or like new car leather in the opening, almost with kind of an ozonic tilt to it. And I don't usually like ozonic notes, but I think it works when it's done in a leathery style. The suede type of smoothness is here too. The raspberry and rose to me are not that noticeable for most of the scent. Like there's that general sort of sweetness that comes out as it progresses, but not in a way that like screams raspberry and rose. And I mean that in a good way, where it just smells like pretty good, and it's not about like trying to analyze it. It's just like, okay, yeah, that smells good. Some people do pick up those raspberry and rose notes more than others, though, so it could depend on your nose and your skin chemistry. As it progresses to the dry down, there's this like slightly creamy, lightly powdery musk that comes in. And yeah, I actually think this is pretty good overall. Good longevity and projection, unisex, 240 for 100 milliliters, so it's not cheap. And I'll link in the description where you can check it out.